All right, so let's test this out, see how this works. So I have my example of direct characterization. Billy is sweet and kind, especially to his teammates. And remember, we know that Billy is sweet and kind because the author tells us. That's direct. So let's say we want to make this an example for indirect characterization. I'm going to do the first two letters of steel. So speech. What would Billy say to show he is sweet and kind? So I'm thinking, what is something that someone who is sweet and kind would say? And this is an example for indirect for speech. Your drawing is very pretty, PJ, Billy said to his sister. Like, I think like this one is speech because it's something that I put in quotes. This is something that the character Billy is saying. And this is an example of indirect characterization because it's showing that Billy is sweet and kind through what he is saying, through his speech. All right, now let's come up with a thought. What would Billy think to show he is sweet and kind? I think something Billy would say or think actually is, I should help my mom clean the yard, Billy thought as he looked out of the window. This is an example of indirect characterization because this thought that Billy is having is showing how he is sweet and kind. This is something that someone who's sweet and kind would say or think.